It's true. Replacing your home siding is a large investment, no matter if you choose the cheapest product in the market or not. As you might expect, cost and quality are directly related in the home remodeling industry. In this video, we will outline 4 factors that influence the cost of your siding project, like the quality of service, products, and installation. Hi, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. If you know you want a siding solution that is going to last a lifetime on your home, then it's going to cost more. But why are some more expensive than others? Well, by the end of this video, you will understand why a high-quality siding replacement is more expensive. Before we get started, in this video, we will be mainly speaking on Southwest Exteriors processes and experiences. While our processes may overlap with other contractors' practices, we're speaking mainly from our experience and pricing. Now let's get to number 1. Meticulous inspection of the project area adds to the cost. Once you're ready to get started on your project, the first thing that must happen is a full inspection of your current siding and surrounding areas. During this inspection, a project manager will closely look at the condition of your current siding, soffit, fascia, up near the roofing and other seams around your home to determine if there are any compromising areas. The project manager will be looking for any rot or damage that could cause problems with the siding construction. If an inspection is not performed before construction begins and any problems are found underneath your existing siding, this can halt construction for an unknown amount of time and ultimately disrupt your project. Number 2, collaboration between a contractor and client. When you meet with a contractor, the last thing you want is to be told what to do and have everything chosen for you. A high-quality contractor will act as a guide for you to help you make the best decisions for your project. However, they are aware that you are in control and this is your project, not theirs. Sometimes a low-quality contractor may try to take advantage of you and dictate the decisions for your project. While they may manipulate your project to increase the cost so that it profits them, it will not guarantee a high-quality siding replacement project just because it costs more. Third, installation, labor, and materials supplied by the contractor can add to the cost. Another reason why a siding replacement project can be so expensive is that some siding elements are covered by the contractor. You may not see those costs reflected in the cost breakdown of your project. It may increase the cost of installation and labor. If you meet with a high-quality contractor that presents you with a price that is higher than you expected, it's important to remember that there may be underlying costs that the contractor is covering, which adds to the overall cost. 4. The quality of the installation and expertise of the installers. A large part of the cost of your siding replacement project is the quality of the installation and labor. A high-quality siding replacement job is going to cost you more for the expertise of the contractor and the quality of the installation. So if you are looking for a siding replacement that is going to last for a long time on your home, it's going to cost you more due to the quality of the materials, installation, and expertise of the contractor. Now that you know what factors can make a siding replacement more expensive, you can have a better idea of what your siding project may cost and why. Finding the right contractor is important to the success and cost of your project. If you're looking for the right contractor for your siding project, you're probably wondering what you should know and what questions you should ask. Linked down below is an article that will outline 10 questions to ask a siding contractor before you decide to work with them. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you'll love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.